Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the assets and opening your Xcode project. Once done, go to the target's asset catalog and locate the app icon set. You need correctly sized PNGs for each slot, 20 through 1024 pixels, and the proper 1x/2x/3x scales. This prevents runtime scaling issues. Make sure image backgrounds and corner radii match iOS guidelines so the system mask doesn't distort your artwork. Now import the files into their precise slots so Xcode recognizes each size. Once your assets are in place, update the project settings to reference the new app icon asset. You do this in the target's general pane under App Icons and Launch Images. Select the correct catalog and set the app icon name. Next, clean the build folder and rebuild to force Xcode to regenerate the app bundle. Make sure info. Plist doesn't override icon files, and check UI required device capabilities only if your app changed platform requirements. This avoids missing icon issues on different devices. You finish by testing the icon on simulators and physical devices to confirm appearance across sizes and the system mask. Once satisfied, archive the app and run validation in Organizer before uploading to TestFlight or the App Store to catch packaging issues early. If the icon is missing or wrong, check common culprits. Incorrect PNG sizes, missing 1x/2x/3x entries, wrong asset name in the target, or cached installs, uninstall then reinstall to clear cache. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.